The 2019 Cherokee gets a new face with a more vertical hood made of aluminum, new headlights that incorporate the daytime running lights into a single unit, as well as a new front clip and fascia. There is a new dual-pane sunroof, 5 new wheel designs, new colors, updated taillights, rear fascia, and dual exhaust. All halogen lights have been replaced by LEDs. Even on base models, the new composite liftgate saves 18 pounds by ditching the old aluminum one and is now hands-free. Open it with a swift kick of a leg under the sensor.